Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2013 Lexus RX350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here, the audio and trip button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and make sure that you are at the trip A right here. So go ahead and press that trip and audio and trip button to go find trip A, just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, go ahead and press that audio and trip button and hold it and turn your car back on without starting. Give me a second. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and you should see that light blinking, that runner's blinking, just like that. And now that's how you reset it as a service. But if you have the service warning lights, personal warning lights over here, that this is how we are going to do it. We are going to be using this scroller right here, and also act as an enter in the menu. Go ahead and press on the menu. Let me focus. Okay, now go ahead and scroll to setup, enter on setup, scroll to vehicle, enter on vehicle, go ahead and enter on maintenance, and as you can see, this is his personal warning lights. So go ahead and if it's on, and this particular car is turned off, but if yours is on, go ahead and click on the enter, and it should say reset. But since this is not on, you cannot reset it, but it should be it should have a reset button. And go ahead and go back, and you also gonna have to turn off the oil filter indicator, and it also have a reset button. So go ahead and hit that reset, or you can turn it off. You can turn everything off by I guess, let me see, reminder. Okay, you can turn off the reminder. If you go ahead and click that reminder, and if it's highlighted right there, then it's going to remind you. But if you click it again and the highlight turns off, then it won't. You are not gonna have that warning lights over here on this system, but you will still have it over here on this system. But yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.